What type of content works best for influencers? Francisco, good question. So it depends. And I know I keep saying this because this is honestly the truth. It depends on the product, the category, and the niche. But I'll give you a few different examples. Like if it was a supplement and this was the fitness niche, I would show a lifestyle video of like a ripped influencer like doing a quick workout. So like let's just say I'm doing a tricep pull with the rope thing, right? Like I would do like 3 of these, right? And then I would grab the thing like and drink the thing and like and be like, don't do a workout without your pre-workout by pre-workout, right? You know what I mean? Like whatever it is you want to show it and use. And this is kind of like a rule of thumb in chronological order. Video, picture, text. This is chronological order for effectiveness that leads to conversion. So when you look at conversion optimization, how can you be as effective and generate as much leads or money as possible? It's always going to be video, and then it's going to be pictures, and then it's going to be text, right? And what comes before video is in person. So in-person interaction, then video like we're doing, then pictures, right? And then text, right? In that chronological order for conversions. So think about your product and think about that. For instance, if it was a dog toy, I would do a video of the dog like playing with the dog toy and then show like a close-up of the dog smiling after I just gave him like 8 treats, right? That's what I would do. So showing the benefit of the product, showing the feature of the product, showing the enjoyment of the product, showing how the product can solve a problem, showing how the problem can end a pain point. These are all ways. And perfect example, like I learned this from my mentor, Russell Brunson, whose mentor was Dan Kennedy, right? Whose mentor was Zig Ziglar. So this is 3 generations. And what I learned is in each one of their generations, media was different. However, the most valuable conversion optimization lessons came from media outside of the marketing realm that you were in. So Russell became obsessed with infomercials. Well, when Dan Kennedy was huge, he became obsessed with direct mail, and he became the direct response king of marketing, right? And before him, Zig Ziglar was with public speeches. And so it's like whatever was in their time, they studied it. And I say that to say I'm going to give you a reference, like what type of content do you have influencers promote? I remember when I was younger, one of the infomercials was the Fix-A-Flat, where it's like this guy with this cheesy mustache and this toupee, like had this like magical like sauce in a can, and he's like in a boat in a lake, and he's like, your boat's sinking, you're getting ready to sink. Don't worry, Fix-A-Flat can fix leaks in a matter of seconds, water or not. And then like he's like on the road, he's like, you get a flat and you don't know where the nearest store is. Don't worry, Fix-A-Flat can hold your tire and blah blah blah. So it's like, what are those? Those are different scenarios that would introduce large amounts of stress or pain, and the solution was having this thing. They would never happen, the discomfort, the anxiety, the stress, or the pain, because I have the thing. Or if you had any of those, you would be able to resolve it because of the thing. So I'm just trying to give you different scenarios. For instance, a product that made it on Shark Tank that's on Amazon that blew up was like this little like thing that goes in between seats. How many of you guys have been driving and you dropped your phone in between the seat, that little freaking area that's like the black vortex of the world? Like, what is that? The triangle, what's that thing where the airplanes like fly in there? They're just like, poof, they're gone. Yeah, it's like the Bermuda Triangle of your car. Like you've been on the phone, like you guys know what I'm talking about. You're on the phone driving and you drop your phone and it goes in that vortex in between the seat. You're trying to get it. You can't get it. You're all over the place. You're swerving. So he created a thing that like is a little like U cushion is all it is that goes in between it. So it's like if something drops in the butt crack of the seat, it just holds like this and then you can just grab it, right? So their promotion when they did influencer marketing and they did commercials and everything was that like on the phone and blah blah blah, and then you drop it, or paying at a stand at McDonald's getting coffee or something, and you drop the coin, you're trying to get the coin and you don't have it, or you're at a toll booth and you drop the change. So think about how you can prevent an issue, solve a problem, or remove a potential current or future pain point. And that's the best way to get optimize for conversions with your influencer marketing. And to be completely honest, spending Oh man, probably about 7 million on influencers and on Facebook and Google paid ads combined across multiple different industries, not only just physical products, but consulting and physical businesses and real estate. That's the best thing, right?